pretty. So pretty. A little bit hole in here.
Voila.
Of course, it's really good and young and fresh. Yeah. Easy. It's here is a cucumber. Next stop is tomato. We just passed by zucchini. Super spiky. See cucumber here. So spiky. Let me see if we have anything we can harvest.
Yeah, I think people harvest all of them.
Yeah, seems like it. It's really nice farm. They have a lot of vegetables and fruit and tree. They have potato, tomato,
Yeah.
pumpkin, strawberry, peach, nectarine, grapes. A lot.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Let's check out the next one. Okay, I think that's good enough.
for some reason. Just a small one come out. Yeah, I cannot do it too. It's just extremely hard. Yeah, just look at this. Pick a different one. You like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's small, but it seems to be juicy and sweet. Yeah, I picked a lot of grapes today. I'm so happy.
Grape reservoir. Voila. Yeah, some green, some beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, they're cute. Not giant. Very, very cool.
We're still happy with what we have today.
Yeah.
So we will review everything that we have picked.
Yep.
Let's see how many pounds that we just picked.
What is the damage?
No damage, I think.
Yeah, usually you will say, when they check for like price, I say, what is my damage? And the other person say, $20.
Oh yes.
Oh god, this one is good. We have to pick it earlier.
We should pick it. Just pick it.
You want to pick it?
Yeah, why not? I
Tear it out. Tear out of the. Yes, you got it. Oh. It's heavy. Very heavy today.
Heavy.
Shaking hand.